Ready, please.
Fucking leg it,
Reform in the church.
Mummy. Submission to request cast for this position.
Not with the shoulder towards negative. Anyone get an eyes on T72.
Eyes on
500.
I've lost eyes on. Roger that.
Get the guys to the north from that ridgeline where the forest trees are, just look over it. We're close air support please on those tanks.
Aren't we in the area of the tank?
Roger mate, I'd get out of the area of the tank as far as you mate.
Funny.
I'm missing the roof like a shot. I will advise a minute. You're not gonna get me.
Sniper, yeah.
Alright. Eventually that one you come back to revive me.
Yeah, we'll come back in a sec, hang on.
Oh, we got a sedan. You took the truck. You're...
Yeah.
Can we check the other part of town for vehicles? Maybe there's another vehicle in town.
Oh, someone broke the sedan. Can't take it anymore. Right, we're all on foot. Just get a stack of gold. Smoking to the bumps. You need to catch up, just sprint quickly. This would be a cool place to attack through this valley with machine gunners up there to the north and stuff.
Yeah.
Are we supposed to head up on top of it?
Well, if you want to camp, stand by. Through my gut.
Alright, I like going through the main gate. What?
I'm over the back door, man. Left. Into the north side.
Maybe on binocular view, I can't get a compass up.
North side, check.
Do that.
I've never been on this bit of road here. The only problem is we got the sun in our eyes. That's not too bad. Roger that. Push a little more left if you would. Yeah, and then we can look
More
more
north.
Run right over that hill and duck down in that valley. Just run directly north. What I was hoping to get eyes on from this position here. That is that here, guys. Yep. They should be directly at your 12 o'clock. They are, Rush.
The DMP down there.
Go down to them.
Is it got, sorry?
They got the RDM.
It's empty. Is it got?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just stand by to engage on my signal. Swoop, you engage. What the fuck do you want?
Later. Shulk is going first.
Yeah, one shots. Roger, patrol headed back to... Oh, they changed their mind.
Well, if you know what you sat with us,
Watch and shoot, watch and shoot. Super 90's anti-suppressive fire. With me.
I did not see any more activity.
What's that?
There you go. Outside main tent, but burn them.
Right, we'll move into the compound now. Secure. Sniper there.
Shot. Headshot.
In case anything turns up, or what?
We're going to be moving off.
Behind you on the
Central.
seats for. So I'm back where I came from.
Yeah.
Top job. Everyone stay very clear of the compound now, still. Shoot at me.
Oh no.
I didn't go left, got anyone there.
You're an enemy though, aren't you, Chris?
Shit. Can you go and fight? Roll that.